This is my first attempt at building a mock for 31072 Extreme Machines set. Usually when I do these mock contests, I just start building and I just end up at a different place than where I thought I was going to end up. I just started playing with the parts, cold right out of the box, did it live on a stream, and ended up with a parrot. I do like to always try and do an animal or a bird or a fish or something as one of my first attempts, just because I feel it's kind of the hardest thing to try and achieve in Lego. And of course, being limited to this set was frustrating. There was definitely times I wanted some more parts, but I'm generally pleased with what I ended up with for my first mock submission.